Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a mushroom risotto. This is a great twist on a classic risotto. It goes great with any type of protein, or this can even be your main course in itself. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 10 ounces of mushrooms sliced. Now you can use any type of mushrooms that you want. I'm using baby portobellos. 1/4 cup of onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of arborio rice, 1/4 cup of white wine, 3 cups of chicken broth, or if you want to make this vegetarian, you can also go with mushroom broth, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese grated, and 1 clove of garlic minced. We're going to start by heating up our chicken broth over a medium heat, and we're going to start working on the risotto while this gets hot. First, we're going to start by melting our butter over a medium heat. Now that the butter is fully melted, we're going to go in with our mushrooms, and we're going to saute these up for about 4 to 5 minutes. Our mushrooms are looking perfectly sauteed. Now we're going to take these out of our pan and set them aside. In with our olive oil, and we're going to heat this up for a few seconds. Next is our onions. We're going to saute these up till they become translucent. Then our garlic, and we're going to give this a saute for about another minute. Then in goes our arborio rice, and we're going to toast this. It's going to take about a minute, but we want it to have a nice light brown hue to it. In goes our white wine, and we're going to cook that until it evaporates. Then we're going to go in with a ladle of our chicken stock at a time, and we're going to keep stirring this until the chicken stock is evaporated. Once the first ladle of chicken stock has evaporated, we're going to go with the next, and we're just going to keep going through this process until all of our chicken stock is gone. Alright, let's check the doneness of our risotto. We're looking for it to be soft but have a little bit of a bite to it on the exterior. Al dente. We're almost there. And just in time, because we have 1 ladle left, we're going to go in with that and we're going to finish this off. Alright, our risotto is almost done. It does take a little bit of time, but it's a labor of love and it's totally worth it. We're going to turn our heat off. We're going to go in with our Parmesan cheese and get this mixed in. Once the Parmesan cheese is fully incorporated, we're going to go in with about 2/3 of our mushrooms. We're going to stir those in and they're going to reheat. Now let's get a little taste to adjust the seasoning. Perfect. It does need a little bit of black pepper. So I'm going to add that and I'll meet you back over at the cutting board. Now to plate this, now there's several different ways you can do it. I'm just going to plate majority of this. So we're going to pile our risotto nice and high. Just like that. We're going to garnish it with the rest of our mushrooms. Nice little pile. Then top that with a little bit of shaved Parmesan cheese. Just like that. Looks awesome. Let's get a taste. Let's dig in. Make sure we get the complete bite. Mushroom, the risotto. Looks good. Wow, it's so good. The rice is perfectly cooked. There's a nice creaminess from the way we cook the risotto and the Parmesan cheese. You get a nice earthy tone from the mushrooms. This really could be a meal in itself. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so that way you don't miss any of the videos that we upload. We do upload twice a week. If you're also interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.